Wet morning, boys and girls. Welcome to West Riding. We've got another walk around. This time it's absolutely stunning 1966 Trafalgar Blue Morris Minor 4-door. It's a superb car. For some reason, or what I found, you don't seem to come across really good quality 4-doors like this very often. But this one certainly is that. It was purchased by its last owner from his friend who bought it as a project, and the restoration actually took him 17 years. So I'll just do a once around for you. Five previous keepers, 1966. Quality of the paint job's absolutely superb. Colour coded grille, colour coded wheels with embellishers, which we usually take off, to be honest with you, if we get them like this, and just put standard cream wheels on for aesthetics. But to be honest with you, it looks sort of regal with those on, being a 4-door, so we've just left the embellishers on and the wheels colour coded. I think it looks absolutely superb, to be honest, and it's a bit different. You can't beat a little bit different. The underside's absolutely perfect. He spent a lot of time on it. Nice quality repairs. No agricultural welding, patches, rot, anything like that. It's absolutely superb underneath. As you can see, the bodywork's absolutely superb. The paint's lovely. It's got a really nice quality of finish on it. Unpainted stripe, as per with all West Riding cars. There's a little bit of imperfection on the roof, which we, if you come and see us, we can talk about it and just sort that out. Other than that, the paintwork's absolutely fantastic. It's had new wings on it during restoration, so it's perfect in that score as well. Now, if you look at the reveals, so the door apertures are absolutely lovely. Kick panels there and everything else, really nice and clean. As you can see, new glove box liners, new headlining. Carpets on restoration. Seats are all in really good order. It's showing 44,262 miles. So yeah, steering wheel's in perfect order, as you can see. So 44,262 miles. We'll get it started for you. So we're going to have a look under the bonnet, which is absolutely superb as well. And as you can see there, all the spot welds are on the gutters, which, as I always say, which is probably getting a bit boring now, it's a good sign of the quality of the car. All the chrome's absolutely perfect because it was replaced when it was restored. And then if you have a look in here, it's absolutely stunning. So inner wings, tyre plates, all the bad bits, trains going past. All the problem areas have been sorted out. It's had a new wiring loom fitted at some point, alternator fitted, but it's really clean under there, as with the rest of the car, as you'd expect. Really clean all round. Sound like a broken record with this one because that's how it is, but then if you have a look, same again, cards, pulls all perfect, the door apertures all in perfect order. Back seat and the trims are all in perfect order, and then the headline in there is all in great order as well. It's got 2 spares in the boot, so just be warned. But really nice clean. The boot floor there's all perfect. Inner wings are all perfect. Don't know if you can see that, they're a bit dark, but they are. Obviously where the wing meets the back body and the wing meets the body there, all perfect, which is a problem area with saloons. Boot edge all perfect, and as you can see, new wiring loom there as well. So with this one, it's on at 10,650, which we know is the top of the price range for a saloon. But if you're looking for an exceptionally good 4-door, which this is, it is exceptionally good, Virgin on show standard. If you'd like to give us a call on 01422881221, ask to speak to Dan in sales, which is me, or visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk for further details, or you can email us on inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk, and you're more than welcome to come up and have a look at her. In fact, we'd suggest that's what you do. Thanks guys.